Have you been dreaming of living within walking distance of Shirlington and having some of the best community amenities in all of Arlington? Then you have to check this out. I'm Matt Meyer with the Davenport Group and TTR Sotheby's International Realty, and this is Vibrant West Village. This one bed, one bath condo with a sun-drenched den has an updated HVAC, a brand new in-unit washer and dryer, and comes with its own large storage unit. What could make this unit even better? It sits right across the street from the WO&D trail. This one won't last long. Make sure to schedule your private tour today before it's too late.